What would happen if I put an ammo 3180 kV in-runner motor on a Wild Hawk glider? So we just mounted this motor. It's an ammo 3180 kV. They say it's fast, that's what I'm being told, so hopefully it goes faster than before.
The ammo motor, I think. He's a glider.
Alright, first flight pretty good. Doesn't seem to be doing anything weird. CG's good.
This is the only in-runner brushless we've ever flown. He's not jumping anymore. You gotta tap him on the butt. He's acclimated to your tricks. And he's looking right at it. When the dog jumps out of the way, he's lost his fight.
All right. What happens when the guy jumps out of the way? The video photographer.
He doesn't want to have to fix it. He's lost his fight for fixing it. Are you going to catch it? Very nice. That's a good maneuver.
The trees, I didn't know.